Hello, this is a sad day. It is the end. It is the end of the Volkswagen Transporter T6 production. After 8 years of the VW Transporter being in production, today the order books closed. VW, as of today, have stopped taking orders on this T6.1. You can no longer order the Kombi or the panel van. You can, however, still order the California, although I wouldn't order a California anyway because I want one of the bespoke vans which you've seen me in my videos on recently. But don't worry, all is not lost. Orders are still being fulfilled by Volkswagen, and I'm pretty sure there will be a lot of new vehicles which you can still buy the T6.1 with a campervan conversion. And I'm sure there'll be a lot of cancelled orders because a lot of people have ordered a long time ago and time has passed between those orders and they can change their minds. The reason this has stopped is because there is a new model coming out soon. The new T7 van, which has caused quite a lot of controversy because this is a vehicle which is being built on the same platform as the Ford Transit Custom. Ford have already released the images of their new vehicle, whereas Volkswagen haven't. And if you look at these vehicles, you can quite clearly see that the new Ford Transit Custom does look very Ford-like. However, conversation has been that the exterior of the new Volkswagen Transporter and the Ford Transit Custom are extremely similar, but the interiors are completely different. However, having seen the Ford interiors, it actually looks quite Volkswagen-like. It looks like some of the new modern Volkswagen interiors. So I'm not sure that that information's correct. And especially with that big front grille, that oval grille, which the Ford Transit Custom's got, I'm pretty sure that the Volkswagen's not going to have that. I'm sure they will have their own design grille. Maybe the rest of it is going to be the same, but I'm pretty sure they're going to have a different grille. Whatever the design features are going to be, whatever the interior is going to look like, I'm pretty certain that the engines are going to be a lot greener than the ones which are going out. And if we look at the new Ford range, we can see that there's 3 categories of engines as far as this vehicle is concerned. You've got the Eco Blue Diesel, which comes in the different power formats, which you've also got obviously in the Transporter, and you can actually get it in 4-wheel drive also. Then you've got a plug-in hybrid, which is a 2.5 litre petrol engine with hybrid battery technology. And this is the one which actually I think I'd be most interested in. Or alternatively, you can go full electric. And there's 2 models in this range, with the biggest battery providing a maximum range of 236 miles on paper. So how far will that go? And that's based on the panel van without the fixtures and fittings and the furniture, the additional seats inside there. So what is actually the real world range of that going to be? We'll have to wait and see. I'm keen to know more, but at the moment VW are actually keeping really tight-lipped about the T7. There's been no announcements made yet, no official news, not even any whispers from the dealers. However, surely this announcement of stopping the T6.1 is going to change that, and hopefully VW will be bringing something out soon. And surely VW now are going to confirm the new plans of the new range. We already know that they're going to be made in Turkey. Well, that's what we think they're going to be, based on the fact that they're going to be the same platform as the Ford. But when? When is the official announcement? When will we see it? When will we see the images? When will it be officially announced at one of the motor shows? When will production begin? When can we order one? And more importantly, will it be available in bay leaf green? Sorry, but I do like that colour. We will have to wait and see. But until we know more, we're just going to have to enjoy the vans which we've got at the moment. Spring is on its way. The weather is warming up. Although there is a snow and ice warning for next week, so it might get a bit cooler before it actually gets warmer. But it's time to get out in the vans and experience the van life experience for what we've got, regardless of what van you have. It doesn't matter. It's about getting out and enjoying yourself. And if this is the first time to the channel and you are interested in campervans and van life, please do subscribe. If you want to see a lot more videos on campervans, you can have a look at those here. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care.